Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Thai stir fry. I've got the sauce ingredients, the vegetables, and chicken. You can make the stir fry with or without meat. For the vegetables I'm using carrots, sugar snap peas, and bok choy. You can use any kind of vegetables you like for this recipe. Broccoli, red bell peppers, mushrooms, whatever you have on hand. We'll also need finely chopped ginger and finely chopped garlic. Garlic chives or scallions are a great addition. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces. You can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts. These are Thai red chilies. They're spicy, so if you like your stir fry spicy, go ahead and add some. For the sauce, it's just 4 ingredients: oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, and a little sugar. For heat, you can add chili sauce, Thai chili sauce if you can find it, or really any other kind of red chili sauce that you can find. I'll put all the ingredients and measurements in the description below. First, pour a little bit of soy sauce into the chicken and mix it up. You want to do this first and let the chicken sit while you prep the other ingredients. For the sauce, we'll mix the oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. The chili sauce is optional. If you want it spicy, go ahead and add it. Mix that up. I'm going to add a little bit of chili sauce. It's a really good, simple, quick sauce. We're not going to be using all of the sauce for this recipe, just 2 tablespoons. Heat up a pan or a wok. Add a little bit of oil. Vegetable oil is fine. We'll cook the chicken first. Chicken cooks really quickly. It's done. We can remove it from the pan. You can see it's got a little color on it. Add a little bit more oil, ginger and garlic. Just a few seconds until they're soft. You don't want them to burn. Add the carrots and the snap peas. Cook this for about 2 minutes until crisp tender. Add the bok choy. Add 2 tablespoons of the sauce. Cook just until the bok choy wilts. Now we'll add the chicken back in. And the scallions if you're using them. The stir fry is perfect served over rice. You can also mix in cooked noodles. I hope you give this a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.